We are working with the Innovation Connector in Muncie, and we've kind of started piecing off and working more with the Downtown Business Connector, which is also part of the Innovation Connector. And we're really just kind of like their right hand throughout this year. So we've helped plan several events with them.
One of their bigger projects last semester was the Big Pitch. What we did was help them organize that, help them with recruiting participants for the Big Pitch, which was pretty exciting to do. And it was definitely exciting to see how that came out at the end.
What we're working towards with Innovation Connector is to get their Downtown Business Connector up and running by the time that we're done this spring, which I would say is well on its way. We have several people who are actually using the space now, probably around 10 to 12, and that's awesome for Muncie. In addition to that, we have also added on another company called the Creative Sanctuary 765, which is located in Alexandria. So on the side, we're helping them get their business up and running as well. We're helping people who are starting up businesses have an actual space to come and work. And that's something that generally only occurs in major cities. There's some in Indy. So actually having one in Muncie is awesome, and being able to hopefully bring more people to Muncie to work in this space would be amazing. The main reason I did a project with the BBC is to gain knowledge and marketing. So that was my main goal, and to be able to walk away with something concrete that I could share with employers.
I enjoy working with my colleagues as being really fun. It's always nice to see how you work well with other people, to learn from other people as well. And I think it teaches you a lot about yourself and what you're capable of and where you stand in a particular situation. So I've learned a lot about good leadership skills, how to organize meetings and things like that. So that is definitely a good learning experience, and that's what I've enjoyed.